Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about the admission in Europe. So a lot of students raise a question: Can we come to the Europe either on a student visa or work visa? But we don't have a block account. How can I come to the Europe without block account? So today we will talk about the one country in Europe where you can come. Without blog account, and we will focus on the student visa, not on the work visa, because I already discussed in my previous video about the Portugal work visa. But in this video, we will talk about the student visa in France. Right now, my my daughter is sleeping, so I'm talking. So that's why she's getting little bit disturbed because all day I don't get time to make a video about the student, and because all day I'm busy with my daughter making meal for her and playing with her. So I'm making a short videos on meal and playing and conversation, all these things I'm making videos. So I don't get a time to make a video on admission procedure and documents requirement and etc. And of course, there are some fellows. There are my friends who are on a student visa in abroad, like China, UK, Germany, France, Italy. Like there are multiple countries where I have to, because I love to prepare documents. I love to prepare documents for student visa and all these things. So I help them. So they are like insisting me just make a video on France, because a lot of students want to come to the Europe, but they don't have money for a blog account. They cannot arrange the blog account money. Of course, the same thing happened with me, because I'm also not ready to arrange money for the blog account, because blog account is a very difficult thing for a Germany. A lot of students cannot afford blog account. For me, just because of the luck, I came to the Germany and I got visa. But of course, not with me. A lot of students are lucky, but uh, I will talk about my luck. I don't know about any other students. Anyway, so now we will talk about the France admission. So first of all, I want to clear, you don't need any block account for the France. You just need a bank statement, 3 month bank statement for the France. Okay, so let's start the procedure one by one. Admission has been open. September intake admission has been opened, and the deadline is September to 5th March 2026. That is the deadline, 5th March 2026. So don't wait for the deadline. Start your process as soon as possible. So you will have a great time for the visa application process, and you will have once you will have the visa, then you also need to think about the accommodation and a lot of other things. So start your procedure as soon as possible. If you start your procedure for now, maybe you will get your admission soon, and then you will get your visa inshallah soon, and then soon you will be in the France. So let's start from the universities. There are public universities and private universities. As you know, in Europe, there are public universities and private universities. Public universities fee is less as compared to the private universities. In France, you need to pay fee. Am I right? The universities are not free in France. You need to pay fee. The fee are sometimes 800 to 1,000 euros per year, not per semester, per year. So it's not very, it's not a big amount. If you get admission, if you can enter to the Europe, so it's not a big amount. The fees is 800 to 1,000 euros per year, and of course depend upon the universities. For the private universities, of course, the fees is a little bit higher. So your main focus should be on the public universities as compared to the private universities. You should get admission in the public universities, because if you are financially strong, then I think so you don't have any problem to get admission in the private university. Even you can take admission in Germany in a private university, then you can get admission in anywhere in this world because you are financially strong. But right now I'm talking about the students who are not financially strong, and they want to take admission in the public universities. Uh, so I was talking about the, sorry. Actually, just my daughter, she just make a noise, so a little bit I just get distracted because I need to focus on her. So I was talking about the university. So admission intake has been open. 5th March is the deadline. 5th March 2026 is the deadline, and there are public universities, private universities. So there are two portals where you can apply for admission: Campus France portal (EEF) and the second portal is University portal. So from the France, let's talk about the first portal, Campus France portal (EEF). You need to create an account on the Campus France mean EEF portal. You will go there, you will make your account, then you will get the confirmation email, and after an email you will go there, you will select your program according to your field, and after program you can apply up to 7 universities, including I think so the 4 are public and 3 are private. That kind of it can be 3 or 4 or 4 or 3. So it is like that. So you can apply up to 7 universities with only one application on the campus plan. And you also need to search separately the university portal, because some universities require application from their portal along the Campus France portal. And of course, for the private universities, like private university demand, you need to apply on the university portal to, from Campus France portal to University portal to. Okay, so you will apply, and after when you will apply, after that you will get email for the application fee. Yes, you need to pay the application fee, and the application fee, if I will talk about from the Dubai. I will talk about the Dubai process. So process is same for India and Pakistan, everyone, for every international student, the process is same, but the fee is different. Okay, so for the UAE, you need to pay 700 application fee. So that is the application fee. After applying, you will get the email where you will get a notice. You need to pay fee. Then after paying the application fee, it's not your university fee, it's your application fee. After paying the fee, then process will start. The universities will check your application. If you will be eligible, of course, then you will get the admission, inshallah. Once you will get the admission, then the Campus France team, they will contact you. Now I'm talking about the visa process of UAE, not from the Pakistan and India. I'm talking about the visa process of UAE. Okay, so visa processes can be different. Okay, but the application process is same, deadline is same. Okay, and of course the portal and everything is same, and yeah. Yeah, all these is thing, but the here you need to pay the application fee in Dharam, and in Pakistan PKR, India INR. So it is a different. Okay, once you will apply, so Campus France team will contact you, and after an interview, uh, you will go to the website GOUV. That is the website where you need to submit your complete application. Like you will fill the application form, you will submit your document, you will submit the acceptance letter, and after all these things, then you will make an appointment on the VFX Abu Dhabi, where you will make an appointment, and then you will go there. That's it. That's a very simple process for a France. And of course, if you talk about the documents, for the UAE, of course, you need a Emirates ID. That must be the 6 month valid. Your 6 month stay is compulsory. And in Pakistan, you don't need any Emirates ID. And if we will skip the Emirates ID, let's talk about the Pakistan. You need your CNIC, passport, your degree. They must be attested, and the most important thing, your bank statement. Okay, at least 3 month bank statement, and of course, if your program is a IELTS, English short program, so you must need a IELTS certificate. Okay, so these are the documents that you need to prepare before applying on EF portal. Just make sure you have all these documents. Which document? Passport, passport size picture, your degrees, matric, FSC, and undergraduate. These degree must be attested from IBCC and HEC. motivational letter. And when you will apply on the EF portal, um, they will ask why you want to apply. So you need to answer in 4 to 5 lines. Your motivational letter, your CV. Okay, these documents should be prepared before applying on the site. And of course, I used to, if I will forget anything, then sorry for that. But yeah, these are the basic document and the most important document that must be ready. And after that, inshallah, after submitting your application or EF, you will get admission. So intake has already has been opened. Uh, Deadline is 5th March, but don't wait for the deadline. Just start your application process as soon as possible. If you want to start your process by yourself, it's well and good. You can do it. If you want to go to Europe, then you must do your all things by yourself. Don't go to the agent. Don't call someone. Even don't text me like, can you please help us? Will you please do my process? Because a lot of students, a lot of people, they send me a message. Will you please start our process? I have no problem. I can do your process. But if you are going to the Europe, then you must do your all thing yourself, because you are capable enough. You can do all these things. It's not very difficult. After BS, after doing BS, now we have been capable to do everything. We can do everything, because in Europe, no one will help you. I will do this. No, you need to do yourself. You need to do all thing by yourself. So, um, uh, I will force and I will emphasize, just do your process. If you need any help, just text me like, you are facing problem either in application form, in apply, in anything. You need help, I will help you. Just text me or recommend, I will help you. But if you want me to do complete process, I'm available. And the right now I have been given everything. The Now you have the complete detail. If I have missed any detail, then sorry for that, but I have given you the complete detail about the France admission. The most important thing that student ask before applying in Europe, they ask, do they need any blog account? No, you don't. You do not need any blog account for France. Is universities are free? No, universities are not free. You need to pay fee per year, 800 to 1000, and also depend upon the universities. So you need to apply by university portal. Yes, you can apply by university portal and also the campus France. So it depends upon universities how they accept the application. And yeah, these are the basic things that you need to keep in mind. And the deadline is 5th March 2026 for the September intake. Bank statement 3 month bank statement is compulsory. Your motivational letter must be ready, and your CV should be ready. Your degree must be attested from the IBCC and HEC. Yeah, these are the things that you need to write down and should start your process as soon as possible. That's it. So now I will end my video, and in next video, I will talk about the Italy admission process. And another thing is that, sorry, I forget. That's why I was asking again and again. If I forget anything, sorry for that. One student, he sent me a message. He was saying, what is the processing time for the France admission process, and what is the rejection ratio for France admission process? Processing time, few weeks or month. That is, even within a week you can get appointment and you can get visa. So processing time is very fast for the France. And rejection ratio is 1%. You can say to the 1%, and also depend upon if they found any documents fake and all these things, then there is a rejection. Otherwise the rejection ratio is zero for the France as compared to the Italy and Germany. Of course, in Germany, for Germany and Italy, the rejection is high, and also the visa processing is very low. So yes, but for the France, it's very fast. So yes, this is the thing that I was missing in the video, and I have given you the complete information that was important for you for applying in France. And if you like this video, kindly comment and subscribe to this channel. So I will end my video and I will go to my baby because she's getting disturbed by my voice because she is sleeping. So she need a very calm environment for sleeping. And also I also need to go to sleep because then I will wake up in the morning and I need to do a lot of things. I need to prepare meal. I need to spend my time with my baby. So yeah, because she's a girl and girls are very sensitive. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.